during the event. So let's bid farewell to our seniors of batch 2018 to 2021 with all our heart and soul. Faces full of cheer, eyes full of tears, fancy dresses, long virtual hugs, and even longer goodbyes. Very good morning to one and all present here, and a special good morning to respected dignitaries and my dear seniors, whom I welcome with a broad smile and open arms. My heartfelt greetings to the staff advisor, Dr. Rupinder Oberoi, and our faculty members, Dr. Rupat Datta Gupta, Mr. Gaurav Panwar, Dr. Krishna Datta, Mr. Mehdi Hussain, and it is my privilege to have known such renowned teachers. A farewell is one of those rare days in our life where we all will be happy and sad at the same time. On one hand, talking about some wonderful nostalgias, and on the other, departing our lovely seniors. No matter how difficult it is for us to say goodbye to you while you all switch on your cameras looking dashing and ever young, let us today not steal your thunder by talking about our emotions, but appreciate your faithful presence on this campus and how a major part of it will be missed without you. So, without further ado, let us commence this farewell party, which is indeed going to be a roller coaster ride for highs and lows, and which hopefully gets imprinted in your minds forever. Once again, thanks to everyone who joined today. And now, fasten your seatbelts, sit back, and have the time of your life. I would request to the seniors to continue forward.
I would now like to invite our staff advisor, Dr. Rupinder Oberoi, to kindly address the seniors.
So why don't we, invite Dr. Rupak Datta Gupta to speak first, because he's one of the senior most who's attending the farewell, and then I'll talk later.
All right.
Well, I'll address with a song. Okay, if that's fine. Okay. Okay. ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप, थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है, यही है, यही है छाँव धूप, ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप. Yeah. Well, I think that suffices the whole thing, which I don't want to give a very formal kind of a lecture that you people pass out, do good in your life, because everybody, is today focused on one's, aims. Everybody would like to achieve whatever they want to achieve, whether they would like to become, very good and capable civil servants, or they would like to be in the media or in the corporate sector. So students of today's students are very smart, and they have already planned what they want to do. And I'm very happy that they are not having they're having some direction before themselves. And unlike before, students were very cool. They said, okay, let's pass out the from graduation, and then we'll continue into masters, and uske baad dekha jayega, etc. I think because the world has become very competitive, and if you don't plan yourself right now, so you might find yourself in some kind of wilderness after some time. And I don't know what different students have planned, because I mean, because of this pandemic, because of the online system, it was not actually possible to interact with students as we would interact in the class. And in between lectures, we might ask, what do you want to do, what exactly, and they might ask, what should we do after the graduation. So ये possible नहीं हो सका, because time limited होता था. इतने समय में ये class लेना है, उसके बाद दूसरी class होगी. And then you see problem of connectivity, means sound, etc. So many things are there. There. I mean, of course, uh, digital technology became very handy during the pandemic era, because otherwise, we wouldn't have been able to do anything at all. तो ये तो आप लोगों का assignments ही हमने check किया है, marks भी मिले हैं. Okay, somehow some interaction has been done. and otherwise it wouldn't have been possible. We can't, we have to be very kind to the new technology. And but of course, technology has its own limitation. After all, we have not become robots. We are still human beings, and we need, you know, eye contact. We need, tactile forms of interaction. Okay, and face-to-face interaction. Because I'm not able. Most of the time, all the students are, have switched off their video, so I'm not able to see their reaction, their expression on their face, whether they are liking me or whether they would like to get rid of me, but compulsively attending the classes. So ये possible नहीं था. But overall, you see, I mean, जो है उसमें ही, we should make ourselves, comfortable and happy with this hope that in future, the first year, which is coming to the second year, and might proceed to the final year, maybe we will have classroom teaching by that time. So my best wishes to the final year students. Some of the students I know because they attended my the section which I taught last year, the global politics, and some of them who joined DPSM and IFP were from a different section, so I never came to know them personally. But कोई बात नहीं. I mean, whether it's personal, my wishes are always with my students, and you do well and then report back, what you have done, because under the NAC and NIRF, we have this provision. I mean, we have this kind of a mandatory system of students' progression that we have to know how our students have done. Because students pass out and very few are in touch with us, and we don't come to know. I don't know, I have been teaching here for more than 35 years, so I don't know how many IS have been there from my department. Okay, because in those days, of course, social media was not there, so it was not possible. So I know somebody who's IPS, I know somebody who is IRS, somebody is the Ministry of Home, but exact, जिसके लिए इतना मारा मारी है, वो कितने लोग बन पाते हैं, कितने लोग बने हैं आज अभी तक. Okay, so I don't have any information about that, and it's not very easy to trace the past generation because they never had social media, so they have never been in touch with each other to know whether some of them what they have achieved, some of them have achieved. So I think in the era of social media, we will come to know of your achievements. And with these words, I've taken a long time, undue time. So let me end. And again, best wishes. है नहीं, whether I say or not, it is understood that teachers will always have good wishes for their students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Rupak Datta, sir, for this insightful message and beautifully sung song. Now I would request the staff advisor, Dr. Rupinder Oberoi, to please address the students.
Good afternoon, everybody. And I'm glad that you're organizing a farewell, even though it's on online mode. Something is better than nothing, So whatever limited ways we have during the COVID era, we have to make the best of the interaction and engagements possible in these times. I think Rupak, with his song, captured the emotions and the sentiments about life, and also about the journey of the student. When he said that ye jeevan hai, yehi rang roop hai, and kuch khushiyan hai, kuch gum hai. I think this sort of encapsulates the life itself, and as a student journey also. So the last 3 years have brought in good moments, and also because of this truncated graduation which you had to undergo, we all had to undergo. We saw some bad moments, some tragic news within the faculty of KMC and also within the university. I'm sure within a family who suffered during this time. So we are going through very, very extraordinary times. An extraordinary time have the possibility for especially young generation to think in that extraordinary way also, because you're compelled by the circumstances to think out of box, to think something new. So we are all actually in in last 1.5 years, reinvented ourselves. We have learned how to interact through technology, to get so close to use that we could in relatively successful terms, organize classes, organize events. So we could extract the best because of the interface of technology. But yes, as Rupak said, that we miss the face-to-face interaction. I personally miss it a lot because of the vibrancy of the campus. And when I was a student, I remember I learned more from my peer group, from being in the campus, from the societies and the events which were organized. So personally, I was not always present in the class. I was more outside the class and learning from life. And that's what is university all about. The schooling keeps you confined, so regimented, so scheduled. And university, especially the undergraduate 3 years, allows you to flourish, to know yourself, to interact, to learn the ways of the world, to interpersonal relationship, which communication skills. These are such fundamental skills which you actually learn outside the class, which I'm sure you miss. And one more thing, I don't know whether you feel it or not, the friendships which you develop, at this stage, sometimes last for lifetime. This is a time when you are between 17 to 20. The emotional and the psychological imprints of interactions and the events you go through are so deep that it foments and fortifies your personality. And that is very, very important, because if I look back at my journey, I know that what I am today got shaped during my, maybe from 10th, 11th to my undergraduation, those 5 critical years when you discover who you actually are. What are you made of? What are your likes? What are your dislikes? Who do you prefer? As friendship, as comradeships. All these are such important memories, skills, events. And I hope that even though you were connected to your classmates through technology, you broke the ice, you established that warm relationship with your friends, with your classmates. And I hope that some of these friendships last forever. And as Rupak said, that we need to have the database. It's important not only for the reporting of the system, but it's so important because as a political scientist, you would know social capital is something. If you know your friend is an IPS officer or a judge somewhere or XYZ, you need to be in touch, because that's when you establish, collaborations, personal and otherwise also, to flourish in your own domain also. So be in touch with each other, be in touch with the institution that you're, respect the institution that you're passing out from, because each teacher did their best to give their best to you. How much you take it, it's up to you. But I think each teacher puts in a lot of effort to steer you towards success in life, not only just an exam. And I hope you enjoy and do best in your life. And as a staff advisor to La Polity, I think I enjoyed this was a special year for me, because in last 16 years, I never held this portfolio in the department. And this was the first time, and I thoroughly enjoyed the innovative ways of thinking. And thanks to the team, to the council members, to the president and vice president of La Polity, who, in joint discussion and brainstorming came up with such wonderful ideas. Each event was a heartfelt from the student community and also from my side. I think we made the best of whatever limited resources we had. So all the best and happy journey ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rupinder ma'am, for
Thank
summing
you,
up
ma'am.
the
Thank you so
journey of
much.
highs and lows. Now I would request Dr. Krishna Datta sir to address us.
Very good morning to you. And somewhere, actually, I just talked to the SSC also some time back. This very batch joined in Kerodimal College in 2017, and this very batch was they have been graduated under somehow. I have seen them growing, and they have really done well. we passed through a period of COVID, and that it was very unfortunate that we only got 1.5 years to teach them for offline method of teaching, and then it went to the online wala teaching. But I can see their dedication, sincerity, hard work, and I'm very much confident that they will do very well in the future. Though the system has collapsed somehow because of the COVID-19, but it's how it teaches us to become more innovative, more dynamic, and naturally something best will come up. And I'm sure that the second batch which is going to pass out under this COVID-19 pandemic situation, but I'm very hopeful that the batch which are passing through this period of time, they will not only come up with the kind of a degree which is going to get them a graduation wala degree, rather than they are trying to equip themselves with the so-called the situations which is happening around the world. And not only you have to just apply your political science theories, thoughts, and the learning which you have gone through the years, but you need to apply the so-called the common sense and the acumen, intelligence, wisdom, and everything which somehow you have got through your years of your schooling, years of your graduations. And at the last, only I would like to say that do well in life, and let me know that if I can help you out at any point of time, and all the good luck, and my blessings are there. Thank you all.
Thank you, Krishna Datta sir. Now I would request Mr. Mehdi sir to please address everyone.
Hello. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting me to this farewell occasion, and I wish all the best to all the passing out students. You all will soon enough become graduates, and they will make a chunk of the population, with graduates, and you will have more struggle to come. But this occasion is for you all to celebrate, on this occasion, on completing your 3-year degree course. So you see that you all have been imparted with skills, political understanding and analysis, and much more than that also, right? As a part of campus life. And the most important thing that you will remember in decades to come in your future is the college life, right? How it all have been, right, in the campus. And they will give you the connection, kind of always permanent, with the university and the college. And I'd like to take this opportunity, to wish you all the best for your future career, and much more than that, right? So with this, and I'll shorten my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehdi sir, for your insightful words. Now, I'm really obliged to have between us the teacher in charge, Dr. Shyam Kumar. Sir, could you please address everyone?
Hello, students. How are you people? Fine. So, this is a farewell program today for all third-year students who are going to complete their BA from this college. So, in fact, I'm also extremely happy to know this, that my all, third-year students, I taught them, have completed their undergraduate, this program. And in fact, I remember the day one when they have joined this college. And I just can't believe that how quickly this time has passed and all 3 years, have gone. So even I'm not, in fact, able to believe this fact. That is now, 2021, when they have come in, 3 years back. So, but anyway, everything is not in, everything is not in our hand. And in fact, we want that every student will go further in their lives, in their career. And what I think about my all third-year students, I find everyone, in fact, very well-disciplined students, very disciplined, oriented, well-behaved, and respecting that our every thing in which is indeed very big condition of good student in the department, good senior, and in fact we have developed a very good fraternity, a bonding togetherness. So I hope this kind of relation, which even students have developed among themselves, will continue throughout the life. It is the kind of the relationship, which they have developed. It is not only institutional, even it is a personal as well. So throughout the life, I think that they will connected as friends, as a senior, in fact, as well. So students, what to say at this moment, because I'm coming to a certain extent emotional, because I am deep by my all third year students. I wish all the best and skies in terms of happiness, career, and in terms I think become excellent human being. This is our dream, because this is something the political science teaches us to become some, and that they will equally become instrument in the transformation and positive transformation in the society. More challenges ahead to the human society. Relationship to some identity, connected as a human being. So they are such. So my all lovely student, third year, we will never forget you. And this is your college, this is your home. You have 100% rights on, not only as a teachers, friends, as a your mentor. Wherever you go, whenever you, our doors are always open. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share these few words. I do not know what I have spoken in what direction, but like I consider my every student like our very beloved one, lovely one, like our even children. In fact, I tell you very frankly. So all the best, young minds. Go ahead with confidence. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shankumar sir, for reviving those beautiful memories and for your blessings. Now I would request the General Secretaries, Anjali Di and Yashasvi Di, to please address everyone.
अब ये साथ का पल एक दास्तां में बदल रहा. अब आ गया वो मोड़ जिसमें अलविदा कहना पड़ रहा. सेमेस्टर्स के एग्जाम भी कितने जल्दी खत्म हो गए. एक पल में अरसा गुजरने का ये दौर भी अब थम रहा. आ गया वो मोड़ जिसमें अलविदा कहना पड़ रहा, जिसमें अलविदा कहना पड़ रहा. Here is our token of love and appreciation for each one of you, because today we are celebrating all of you. I request Kundan to kindly screen share and show them our token of love and appreciation.
ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल, हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल. चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी. कल मिल जा रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल। आने वाली सुबह जाने रंग क्या लाए दीवानी, मेरी चाहत को रख लेना जैसे कोई निशानी। हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल। हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी। कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी। हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल। हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल।
Thank you, Kundan. So I take this opportunity to thank you all, our dear seniors, and our beloved teachers for joining us for this event. And this was a small token of appreciation and love from our side. And it was our idea that no one can define you better than you yourself. So this was a small video for you all.
Thanks a ton to the General Secretaries Yashasvi Di and Anjali Di for this nostalgic video, and I believe everyone is as emotional as me. And I would request Manya to continue with the event.
Now let's start the program on a happy and a cheerful note and welcome and put our hands together for the first mesmerizing performance by Ayushi, who is a happy, chirpy person and an overall talented one. Kundan Bhaiya, please share the screen.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, आना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया। कोई का डोला है हम तो होश में, बदला तो था वो ये है आते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव
जाने कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता.
After a wonderful performance, now we have another flawless dance performance by Pinky.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी. मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना.
How captivating it was. Now hold your breath for our next dance performance by Urja. Indeed, a lovely performance. Dancing is the closest thing to magic, and to create that magic, now we have Manisha. How graceful it was. Now I request Videhi to take over.
Thank you, Manya. Music is the strongest form of magic. So let's play the moments, soothe the mind, rest our soul, pause the memories, heal the pain, and rewind the good times. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into the blend of cosmic tunes and divine music. And with this, we present the rock star of La Polity, Mr. Sarvesh Tiwari, with his melodious song performance.
बस निकल पड़ा हूँ घर से बैग पिछली खराब से वही मुझे वही साथी ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए अच्छा लगे तो साथ में रूम दीजिएगा मेरे ख्वाबों मेरे ख्यालों की रानी जिसे दिन बनेगी हमारी कहानी मेरे ख्वाबों मेरे ख्यालों की रानी किसी दिन बनेगी हमारी कहानी ये कसम मैंने ली प्यार है इस तरह मेरी जान तुझे सवाना जान जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आना जान जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आना किसी खूबसूरत परी जैसी हो मुझे क्या करना दिलरुबा कैसी हो किसी खूबसूरत परी जैसी हो मुझे क्या पता दिलरुबा कैसी हो जानता हूँ तुझे जानता हूँ तुझे दिल मेरा कह रहा सारे फासले मिटाना जान जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आना जान जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आना जान जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आना जान जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए
It was indeed an enthralling performance, and Sarvesh, your voice surely soothed the ears. So get ready. Now the Nightingale of La Polity, Miss Akansha, is on set with her breathtaking performance.
लगी जागने की फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो कि शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लगी जागने सी हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए की शायद फिर इसी जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लगी जागने से।
It was such a blessing hearing you, Akansha. तो शानदार सी इस सुबह में आप सभी को एंटरटेन करने का दौर तो चल ही चुका है, तो आइए इस दौर को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. So coming up next is Abhay with his touching song performance. Kundan bhaiya, please.
सबसे मेरी अब बेफिक्र है, दिल में बस कैसे ये पल है, बातें समझ जा रही है, पलकों में यूं ही हंसी है, मन में छुपी कैसी धूम है, हर ख्वाहिश उलझी किधर है, पैरों से जख्मी जमी है, नजरें भी ठहरी हुई है रुकी हर घड़ी, हम है चले राह यही।
All right, so next we have our games coming up. So I request Ayushi, Isha to kindly take on the event.
First of all, I would like to thank Vadahi and Yashashvi for our introduction and Vadahi for carrying the last program. Coming back to our next stop, it's time to bring out some brazzle dazzle for our seniors. I do hope our little spark lighten up the event, adding up cherry on the cake.
OMG, Isha, you have already made it so interesting that I don't wish to delay it anymore. So here we present our Razzle Dazzle gaming round to make this event special and fun. We would love to have the answers in chat box, or you can unmute one by one. Now I request Isha to introduce the first game to our lovely audience. I'll just share my screen.
So our first game is Tongue Twisters. The rules as well as the game is quite a start. The game has 3 rounds, namely easy, medium, and difficult. Each round has 3 to 4 tongue twisters in each. They will be in Hindi as well as in English. Each tongue twister has to be recited twice in a row by anyone who wants to go for it, one by one.
Oh,
So
and
here's-
just to add a little spice to it, I would like to challenge each one of you to say it as fast as possible in one go. Challengers, Ayushi and Isha, or the farewell audience present here?
So here comes the first tongue twister, red bubble and blue bubble. So who's going to come for it first?
Seniors, we want your participation, please.
Yeah, please unmute yourself. And,
Anyone can unmute and start with the first game. All right, so I start. Red bubble, blue bubble, red bubble, blue bubble, red bubble, blue bubble, red bubble, blue bubble. Now I invite Pankuri Jain to kindly.
Okay, it's an easy one, so I'll go forward. Just a second. Red bubble, blue bubble, red bubble, blue bubble, red bubble, blue bubble. Just thrice, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Can we move to the next round?
Okay, this one is in Hindi. Dubey Dubai mein doob gaya. Let's see who can answer this.
Anyone?
I can see Srishti Arora on my screen. Srishti, please.
Yeah, please unmute yourself.
दुबई दुबई में डूब गया, दुबई दुबई में डूब गया, दुबई दुबई में डूब गया. I hope it's fine.
Oh, great.
Oh, great.
So this round seems to be actually the easy round. Next one, we have 6 sticky skeletons. You have to say it twice. 6 sticky skeletons.
Okay, so I see Diksha Di. So Diksha Di, can you?
Bad at tongue twisters, but still I'll try. 6 sticky skeletons, 6 sticky
Okay, so
skeletons,
you
6
lose
sticky
again right
skeletons.
now. Okay, Survi Di, can you? The same one.
Okay. 6 sticky skeletons, 6 sticky skeletons, 6 sticky skeletons.
Isha, we are going to lose badly. They all are doing great. Okay, the next one is in Hindi again. Very common. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Let's see who can say it at least 5 times.
Okay. Ujjwal bhaiya, your turn. Please go for it. Ab bolo.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़। शायद हो गया ना?
ब्रेक के साथ हो गया। ब्रेक के साथ हो गया।
सही तो।
मी करती हूँ।
Okay, next.
मी कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ निकल गया।
Go ahead again.
Second go में हाँ बोलो आप।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, 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 कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़।
Wow, that was nice.
That was way ahead of our limit. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Moving on to our next.
So this one is a 3-word. Eddie edited it 5 times. Anyone? Eddie edited
Yeah, I
it.
see you on my screen. Yes, Yatika Di, go for it.
Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it.
Amazing. Anyone else who would like to try their hands on it?
I guess Eddie is not here. Actually, we have a student named Eddie. हाँ.
Oh, right. Okay.
All right. So Simriddhi, do you want to try this? I'm just calling random names, whosoever I'm seeing.
Okay, I will try. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. 5 times. 5 times.
Perfect.
5 times. Okay. Eddie edited it. 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 Oh my god.
Moving on, we have this one. Peetal ke patile mein papita pila pila. I said it with so much of nervousness. I don't know if anyone else can do this.
Amrita Di, do you want to take this? Because I see you on my screen.
Yeah, this is quite a hard one, but yeah, I'll try. So this should be for 3 times. Please be
Yeah.
nice.
No, 5 times. It's level 2.
Yeah, you have to.
I'll try. पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला, 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 पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
Wow. Paris Bhaiya said it really great that nothing is hard for you, Amrita. Actually, you made it look so easy.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Yes, I see Ritika Jha Didi on my screen because there are 2 Ritikas, therefore I took the surname also.
Okay, I will try. पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला, 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 पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
Well, I am really excited. We're seeing all of them doing it so fast and so easily.
Moving on to our medium round.
Well, I am quite excited and nervous by seeing how they perform this one. So for the second round, we're beginning with she sells seashells by the seashore. Even I am quite
So
No.
she sells seashells by the seashore. I see Amisha Di. So
yeah,
I
try.
want her to take this up.
All right. Seashells by the seashore. Seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. I don't know.
You did an amazing try.
That was a nice try. Anyone else?
Anyone
from
else?
seniors?
Yeah.
I see Archana Di on my screen.
Anand, हाँ आनंद भैया, अर्चना दी.
Okay, Anand Bhaiya,
Anand
Archana
भैया.
Di, anyone?
Okay. If Anand is going to try, I can give him chance to.
No, you try.
Okay. Seashells, seashells by the seashore. Seashells, seashells by the seashore. Seashells by the seashore. Seashells by the seashore. Seashells by the seashore.
Perfect. But I want Anand
Okay.
Bhaiya also to try this one.
Yeah, exactly. ये थोड़ा टफ है तो 2-3 लोग और आओ आप लोग.
हाँ.
Okay,
सरल नहीं.
okay. Let me try. Seashells by the seashore, seashells by the seashore, seashells by the seashore, seashells by the seashore, That's all. I think.
Nice
I'd like to try.
कोई बात नहीं है नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम
Surabhi wants to try.
Yes,
Yeah.
please go ahead.
Please.
Okay, how many times do we have to say
Five.
it?
5 times.
All right. She sells seashells by the seashore. 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 She sells seashells by the seashore.
Wow.
Finally, someone did it.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
So smoothness. Remarkable.
Okay, so next.
Next one is again in Hindi. This is quite a funny one, so we will get a good laugh here. चमेली की सहेली के भाई की पहेली सुलझाओ.
I see Abhishek Bhaiya on my screen. Abhishek Rawat.
एंग्जाइटी हो गई देखकर ही। चमेली की सहेली की भाई की पहेली सुलझाओ, 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 चमेली की सहेली की भाई की पहेली सुलझाओ।
Why were you nervous?
Why?
You said it so perfectly.
So perfect.
Anyone else from the seniors who
Anyone
want to try
else?
this one?
Paris Bhaiya, I'm seeing you on the chat. Paris Bhaiya, please go for it.
So I'm in
Yes,
Uber,
Abhishek,
so
you
I
look
don't
like
know.
an actor. Yes, I agree.
चमेली की सहेली की भाई की पहेली सुलझाओ, चमेली की सहेली की भाई की पहेली सुलझाओ, चमेली की सहेली की भाई की पहेली सुलझाओ।
Chalo, nice.
So we have a
Okay.
lot of stuff. So yes, so we can move to the
Yeah.
next.
I would like to call watches as Swiss wristwatches. I would like to call watches.
भाई मेरा हो चुका है ना, मेरा तो डबलिंग हो जाएगा
We
फिर
should give everyone a chance. Let's
हाँ,
see
वही तो।
Ujjwal Bhaiya for now. I'm supporting him. Next,
Thank
I
you.
see
Okay, friends.
again
धन्यवाद,
emoji
देवी।
on my
Go.
screen. I think everyone has switched off their video because we are calling out names. Okay, so I see Vandana on my screen.
Yes, so I can try. Which
Yes.
wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Which 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 wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Okay, and I see Zamir Bhaiya on my screen. So please go for it.
Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? 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 Oh God.
That was a
Wow,
very
that was
perfect.
nice.
Moving on, we have our next Hindi one. जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया. This is something I even get to hear on a regular basis. So let's try.
All right, so who wants to try this from the seniors?
Yeah, you can. Unmute yourself.
Okay, I'd like to go for this one.
Yes, please go
Okay,
ahead.
Vipin Bhaiya.
जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया, जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया, जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया, जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया. I think that is all.
Yes,
Yeah, good job.
Great. Also, we are not letting you go is farewell without a song. So, आगे we have to hear a song from you.
Also Surbhi.
Yeah, Surabhi, right.
Is there anyone else who wants to try this? This one is an easy one as compared to the previous ones.
Okay, I want to try this. जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया, जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, वो जो फंस गया वो हंस गया, जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया, जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया, जो हंस गया वो फंस गया, जो फंस गया वो हंस गया.
God. Wow, you all are
Let's
so
move
great.
to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming to a difficult round. This one,
Yeah.
please fasten your seatbelts for this and hold your horses.
We hope you have to go for that. Okay, so this one, we'll repeat it once and then you may go for it. Betty bought a bar of butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought a better butter to make the bitter butter better. Who is
Then
up
I
for
want to
this
try
one?
this.
Go ahead, Yashasvi.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some better butter. Butter better. Betty bought some butter. Okay, on my screen.
Yeah. So
Let me start. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so better butter to make the bitter butter better. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so better some better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Pooja, you were so great.
Wow, great,
That was
great.
great.
Moving on.
Okay.
I can't say this, Anjali Di. Can you please try your hands at it?
मुझे क्यों फंसा रहे हो तुम?
Because this is way too difficult for me to narrate.
तोला राम
One of you can.
ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तूला हुआ तोला तले. तो मैंने क्या लिखा है ये?
Okay, I'll just try it once. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला ताले के तले. I don't think so. We should have put this. This is so
जो होस्ट
embarrassing.
कर रहे हैं सारे पहले एक बार ट्राई कर लो यार, फिर हम
प्रतीक।
सीनियरों को
एक बार कोई ट्राई करना चाहिए ना.
Take Pratik for this.
Yeah, Pratik bhaiya will
Pratik
do it.
bhaiya,
Yeah,
we have
yeah,
full
he
faith
will
in
do it.
you.
अच्छा, इसका we
Yes.
can keep 2 times. Who can keep this 2 times?
Yeah.
Continuously.
Pratik
Pratik
bhaiya.
bhaiya.
High on demand, Pratik Bhaiya, please.
भैया कहाँ?
वो
Okay, I
practice कर
also
रहा
see
है अभी.
Pooja Di on my screen. So
पूजा दी
Di-
has actually पहले ही बोल दिया उन्होंने, बहुत difficult वाला.
यार मैं तो
Okay, okay.
प्रैक्टिस ही कर रही हूँ अभी. मेरे को ये समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या है, तुला तले ये तोतले मन में है क्या?
You can give this as a home people, maybe.
Yes.
Okay, moving on.
I will try.
No. I want someone.
Okay.
Please volunteer.
Tola-
I see Niharika Di on my screen.
I will try.
Yeah. Please go.
Please go ahead.
तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले तेल में तुला ताला गया. आ जाओ यार. ता तुतला गए. सॉरी, दोबारा से ट्राई करती हूँ. तोला राम तोला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तेल के तले हुए तेल में ताला गया. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले हुए तेल में ताला गया.
चला गया.
तला गया.
Yeah.
Nice attempt. Let's move to the next one.
Okay, let's move to this one. This is the last one, I guess.
All right.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. This is
I see
very
Niharika Di on my screen, and because I called her name before also.
Yeah,
so
I
will
can do this one.
Yeah.
I saw a
please go
kitten
ahead.
eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
well, that's
Wow.
nice.
And one
Okay,
point. That was
Very
great.
nice.
Anyone else? If you want to give it a try.
Those who have already given a chance, like we have given a chance, you all can also try.
Yeah,
It's
anyone.
open for everyone. And sorry if we have missed on calling some names, because it's just that whosoever we are seeing this, we are just
Yeah,
calling
so we
their
are
name.
calling them.
Come on, this is the last one.
Bhavna Di, I see Bhavna Di.
It's easier than the Tala Tola.
Can I try this one?
Sure, sure.
Sure.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Very nice. Pooja, these really great in tongue twisters.
Everyone just did it
Do you want to
perfectly.
try on this, Arya?
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Perfect. Nancy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Perfect.
Everyone was so well versed with it. I don't think it felt like a difficult round.
It seems
So
they're practicing it every now and then.
truly, truly. So okay, finally we can guess. Okay, we have one more. Lalu lal lal. Lalu lal ka lal bal. Lalu lal ka bal lal.
This is funny.
Okay, and anyone?
Seniors, please, we want your cooperation.
Yeah, please.
Try. I
Thoda
can try.
interactive.
If nobody else is going, I can
Yes,
try.
please go ahead, Surbhi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. How many times?
Three.
How many to five?
I'll go for 5 times. 5? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल.
Oh, you
It
could
seems
have
as if
done
you've seen
all
Lalu
of
Lal. Okay, anyone else who wants to try this?
Anand Prakash Bhaiya. It's still here.
Anand Bhaiya?
हाँ एक सेकंड जो एक सेकंड
He'll all dress up and then, switch on his camera.
I also see Abhishek Rawat Bhaiya because there was one more Abhishek. So
Hello.
Abhishek Bhaiya,
Yes, we can hear you.
yeah, we can hear you now.
लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल सॉरी लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल
5 times, two more.
बोलना
और
ओके
लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल.
Perfect. Thank you. Please switch on your video, Anand Bhaiya.
I think it's
Yes.
done.
I see Saqib Alam. Bhaiya, do you want to say?
okay yeah I
Yes.
was going
Please
to
go
try.
ahead.
Yeah, please.
Please go ahead.
लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल लालू लाल का लाल बाल लालू लाल का बाल लाल. Thank you. I hope I did it well.
Yes, you really did.
I guess Bihari people can say this easily because of this Lalu Yadav.
Lalu Prasad Yadav?
Yeah.
Okay,
All right.
are waiting for us. We might move on. Okay, so finally, let's guess who is the winner. Any guesses for a winner?
Surbhi di.
Yeah, I guess we have said the most one.
It's definitely all you people
video है
who were able to
हाँ
recite
वीडियो है
most of them so
हाँ
perfectly.
वीडियो आया था एक सेकंड के लिए हाँ
Isha and I have lost terribly. So next time we might try our hands at
We might
something.
not give these.
Okay, now let's move quickly to the next game and have this introduction. That is form of these emojis. This game is non-tiered and anyone can give their answer one by one. Every emoji would be representative of something which we or seniors can dedicate to someone with positive intentions and not in a hurtful way. With life becoming virtual, the best way to represent the realities of a person could be to use emojis, without which chats would legit become so boring and seems as if हम कोई email type कर रहे हैं day in and day out. So let's see the first set of emojis. The crazy. I won't be really surprised if you dedicate this to me, but let's hear it from you people. What do you think? Who is the crazy one?
Come on.
Yeah, we can't.
You can say
You can
start the chat box.
yourself. So please interact. आप बताओ.
Unmute it, say, or do we have to write it in the chat box?
No, you can unmute it.
Unmute yourself also.
Yeah.
So personally, because I think in a good way, I think good crazy for me is Niharika.
100%. Anyone else who wants to dedicate this crazy wala emoji to anyone?
I would like to dedicate
I think
this.
Niharika, you can give it back. You can take revenge and give it back to Surbhi.
Obviously, I mean, definitely, I would give it to her.
Diksha,
Because she too is crazy in a good way, man.
Okay. Also, Nitin Bhaiya is saying Aryan Bhaiya. Okay, in the chat box.
I would dedicate it to Chopin. He is not here, but maybe he's not here, but he deserves it. +1.
Okay, moving on to the next
Exactly,
one.
he deserves.
Next one is lazy like a panda. Who's lazy like a
I
panda?
want to dedicate this to Ujjwal Bhaiya.
Hands up. Even he looks like that. So, like a panda.
This one is for Archana because she slept in political theory class.
Okay.
I will take it to
Okay,
Anyone
not
else?
very lazy people over here.
I
I
will be
see.
taking it.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? Yeah, okay.
Now this one. Who's delicate like a snowflake? The next one. Delicate like a snowflake. The here reply comes Sakshi.
I think
from
I
Cricketer
will
Business.
just yes, and I think I will dedicate this delicate wala snowflake to all the girls because हम बहुत ही delicate है यार हमारे बाल से लेके सब कुछ हम बहुत delicate इंसान है.
Personal experience share करियो यशस्वी तुम अभी.
Because why not? Anyone else?
Yeah.
Anyone else with the idea who's
We
dedicated?
beg you to please
Okay.
interact.
Shivam Bhaiya is saying Keshav. Okay. Yeah, Shakib Bhaiya is also saying
A
Keshav.
lot of people are saying for Keshav.
Okay, let's move on. The adventurer.
Okay, yeah. This is
We
a
might
cool
get
one.
many names for this one at least. You people were able to go to the college.
Yatika?
Okay,
From
Bhavna
Manipur.
Di says it's Paras.
Paras.
It's Srishti, I think. Srishti.
Srishti Yatika, yeah.
Srishti, Yatika. We beg you, seniors, to please interact and let us know.
Please, you know each other so well.
I'll take the honors and I'll take the title.
Perfect.
The next one would be joyous like a rainbow.
Yay.
I can dedicate this to Anjali Di.
Oh wow. I can dedicate you back because your smile is so pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, so seniors, please.
I think I'll dedicate this to Pratik Bhaiya.
All yeah, Pratik Bhaiya, also Surabhi Di.
There are
Very
replies.
joyful.
Seniors.
I'll dedicate it to Anand and Ujjwal both.
Perfect.
Okay, now this one's who's the party lover of all?
I'll dedicate it to Ujjwal Bhaiya.
Niharika, bold letters.
Niharika any day. Niharika any day.
Has to be Niharika in bold.
Hands down, Niharika, seriously.
Since forever.
I'm a lot.
Niharika Di
People here
again.
are party lovers.
I would like to dedicate this to Ujjwal.
Yeah,
I
me
don't
too.
think
Ujjwal Bhaiya.
I don't think many
Icon
knows
दिखाओ
about
यार.
Ujjwal, but I personally know, so I would
I would also like to dedicate this to Kundan.
Yeah, Kundan.
All right,
ये
the
कब
next
से हुआ?
one.
हो गया बस,
हो गया बस.
एक्सेप्ट करो इसको.
Okay, moving on. Next one is the most virtuous.
Most virtuous.
गांधी जी के 3 बंदर एक में.
Seniors, please let us know
who's the most virtuous one.
It's Diksha. As far as I know.
It has to be Diksha.
Yes, yes, yes.
and Pinky.
Diksha,
My supporters
Diksha.
come with me.
Diksha and Archana both.
Diksha,
All right,
Diksha,
so in the
Archana,
chat box we also have
Diksha and
dedicated for
Archana.
Pinky Di.
दोनों एकदम.
Vandana
Pinky,
Di
Vandana
also.
in the chat box for the most virtuous title.
Simrati says Diksha.
Diksha.
थैंक यू आज ही पता चला मुझे, लेकिन हाँ मेरे को मेरी आईसाइट वीक है तो ये फर्स्ट वाला इमोजी चल जाएगा, दिखता ही नहीं है, सुनता भी कभी कभी नहीं है, बोलती मैं बहुत हूँ, तो ये थर्ड वाला मेरे को नहीं पता.
I feel you.
Vandana. The queen or the king. Royal like a queen.
It's usual.
इनकी बर्थडे पार्टी भी हुई थी बग्गी पे ही.
अरे भाई कहाँ कहाँ ऐड करोगे?
Everyone. Yatika Di says that it's everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree.
Agree.
Okay, nobody else wants to, or everyone is like, I want to get that title.
No, it's everyone actually. In our class, everyone is like royal. आते भी टशन में, जाते भी टशन में.
ओहो.
Well said.
आते तो है कैंपस लाइफ में और जाते तो हैं वर्चुअल लाइफ में, है ना?
ये दुखती रहो ऊपर हाथ है.
लेकिन अब ठीक है, लेकिन बोल दो टशन में.
True. A complete package.
A complete
all
package.
in one. Ujjwal bhaiya, you trying to say something?
I would say Surbhi and Amrita.
I would
Yeah,
also
Surbhi.
go for Surbhi Didi.
All right. Anyone else who has to share something? Star of the show.
Star of the show. Who's going for this?
Star of the show.
Star of the show.
I will dedicate this to Pankhudi because she has managed so well during this Corona time as her role.
I agree.
This year
Indeed.
it's Pankhudi, definitely.
And the next one
Thank you guys, lots of love.
sweet as cake or cupcake or
Or
pastry.
a pastry. Or a chocolate.
Sweet as sugar and everything nice.
Surbhi
Yes.
Das in bold letters.
Yeah, I think her voice is also so
Surbhi
sweet.
Didi.
when
She's
sings.
so sweet.
Surbhi, Yatika and Nitin. Because
Even
Yatika's
Pratik.
voice is also very cute.
And because
Pratik Bhaiya also.
Yeah, Pratik. Pratik, obviously.
Even Yatika as well, उसकी भी voice बहुत ज़्यादा sweet है.
Sweet है.
Yeah, right.
Yatika.
Anyone in the
Yatika
chat
is
box?
really sweet.
Anyone else?
Plus,
The second years and the first years who have
also
joined
to,
us. Yes,
also
yes.
to Pankaj sir.
All right. So the second years and the first years who have joined us, you guys can also come in. First sweet at a pastry.
Yeah, anyone.
All right, so we move ahead.
Okay, so this one's we're coming to game number 3. Yeah, so this is something related to our lives now. We all know that we have to make many choices here and there, everywhere in the life, especially when we are at this stage on which you all are, the seniors and even we, second years and the juniors as well.
No more
So here's a
second years
little
now.
practice designed by Ayushi and me for you people. The seniors can unmute themselves and the juniors and the second years, people, can be active on the chat box. So we can continue moving on. This or that challenge. Plans or surprises? Who would prefer plans? Who would prefer surprises? Okay, we can go for chat box, right? Any way that the seniors feel comfortable.
Just that the surprise don't turns into a shock. I'll go for surprise.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
also go for surprise.
Plans. Everyone is saying plans.
Plans for tests and other things like exams and otherwise surprises because I hate surprise tests.
ट्रिप के प्लान्स जो कभी पूरे नहीं हो पाते.
हाँ तो प्लान्स तो
बनते तो हैं
ऑब्वियसली
but हो ही
नॉट
नहीं
फॉर
पाते.
ट्रिप. उसमें हमेशा प्लान्स
Anjali +1.
Next
Coming
one?
to the next one.
Okay.
Lunch or dessert?
Lunch or dessert?
I guess
Free
we should
lunch
go
or
for
dessert.
Like free lunch or
Dessert.
free dessert.
Yeah.
Just one, Ayushi.
I'll go for lunch.
Yeah, economically, I think everyone should go for lunch.
Go for lunch, right?
Obviously,
Everyone.
I think
Any
that
sweet
can be
tooth here,
unanimous.
like me.
Not at all. Don't kill me
Anything
for this,
free is
but
okay.
not
I
good.
am a
Yeah,
sweet
I
tooth
agree.
person बहुत ज़्यादा. Dessert 200%.
Someone
Yeah.
wrote in the chat box that anything free is okay. And I think I second
Yeah,
that.
we all agree, I guess, for that.
Yes.
Okay, coming to the next is
Okay, Pratik Bhaiya says sleep would be better. That is the OP answer for that.
massive success by accident or modest success on purpose. This is really dedicated to the third years and the seniors who are passing out, who are actually moving on to the path of success.
Come on, let us hear from you all.
Yeah.
The first one.
The first
Shiva
one.
said.
Honest opinion दो. Massive success by accident अगर मेरे साथ है. Modest success बता दो.
Massive वाला is the
Everyone
best
is going for
option
the
right
first
now.
one.
Everyone is going for the first one.
Anyone
Right.
who prefers the second one?
Second one वाले की नियत नहीं बची है ना ऐसे टाइम में.
Okay, the
Next
next
one
one
would
is
be calling first thing in the
thing.
morning or call in the middle of the night.
I prefer the first one.
I'll prefer the first one itself. But the shocks are in the middle of night.
Yeah, क्योंकि someone is very important.
No, Yashasvi used to give me early morning shocks.
Yes, we used to
Yeah,
connect on via calls
me
at
too. I
6
was
a.m. in the
also
morning.
included.
Yeah, even Anjali.
5 o'clock.
I remember that
Earliest
morning
one.
where I was awake at 5 and I was calling all of you. Conference पे आओ जल्दी.
I remember.
वही ना मतलब पहले 11 बजे उठने की आदत थी और मीटिंग्स के लिए 9-10 बजे उठना पड़ जाता था.
काउंसिल वाले बहुत अच्छे से जानते होंगे.
बहुत दुख है जीवन में.
काफी.
इसका दुख मेरे जीवन में बहुत ज्यादा रहा है.
कुंदन बिल्कुल. I agree.
All right. So anyone from the seniors, what do you prefer?
I'll
First
say
thing
in the middle of the night. रात को थोड़ी इमोशनल हो जाता था.
Oh, 12 o'clock वाले
Exactly what I
conversation.
wanted to say. Exactly this point that I thought I was the only one who would prefer in the middle of the night because
But
in
फिर
the middle
सुबह
of the
में
night
but
even
सुबह में फिर
shocks.
regret नहीं हो बस ये चीज.
No, you never regret the conversations you have in the middle of the night. They are always heartfelt.
Obviously they are.
We used to have ना Amrita.
Okay, so this one's for souvenirs or postcards. Who will prefer what?
That postcard का जमाना चला गया.
Postcard.
Yeah, I'll go for postcards.
Yeah, they feel something else, right?
Postcards any day. Surbhi, yes, I'm with you, Surbhi.
Souvenirs तो फिर प्रेशर में लाना पड़ेगा ना सबको. पोस्टकार्ड तो देर से लाएंगे.
बता दो हम लोग भिजवा देंगे.
Anyone chat box.
Is there anything in the chat?
Yes,
Souvenirs. Huge costly souvenirs.
Okay, we can move on to the next, right?
Yeah.
It's an intense one.
Tattoos or piercing?
Second one. What about the seniors?
Piercing.
Piercing.
Nothing.
Same, nothing.
None. Okay.
None. All right.
काफी सुधरे बच्चे हैं हमारे यहाँ पे.
Paris Bhaiya says both of them. That's nice.
Yeah. Girlfriends or guy friends? Who's going for this one?
has that really nice tattoo से सारी नौकरी गई, सारे
Only
UPSC
if you can
aspirant.
explain what does that mean.
सरकारी नौकरी, हाँ.
Isha, only if you could explain what does that mean so that people
It means
both. Okay.
Okay, both.
Yeah.
दोनों ही मान लो.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, moving on to the next one. We have book smarts or street smarts.
Both.
Street smarts. Because when we are in
Both. Everyone is saying. Okay.
Yeah.
बात ये है कि पेंडेमिक की वजह से हम लोग बुक स्मार्ट तो हो नहीं पाए.
True.
And then next one. Yeah, this one's good.
Second one, please.
Winning the lottery or finding your soulmate.
Okay. हाँ, this one is interesting.
I'll go for
Everyone is
Finding a soulmate.
Second
It's
after
a lottery.
first.
I love what Amrita has written.
Second after first.
Arey, finding your soulmate is in itself a lottery.
Wow, so romantic. Wow.
Ideology.
Moving on. Start assignments immediately or wait until the last minute. Oops.
Excuse me,
waiting until
Wait until the last minute.
ये इस
Deadline
चीज
के
में
बाद.
सारे सेकंड वाला ही चूज करेंगे. हाँ.
चाहते हुए नहीं चाहते हुए वो last minute ही हो
about the
जाता है.
deadline. भेज ही देगा, कोई तो बना के भेज ही देगा फिर
लास्ट मिनट छोड़ो, वो
Deadline
असाइनमेंट
के बाद
के 5 दिन बाद देना ज्यादा बेटर है.
Waiting for your friend to start, so motivation
सर से
मिले तो
रिक्वेस्ट
तुम
करके
start कर सको.
सर प्लीज एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए, थोड़ा ही लेट हुआ है.
Other teachers.
वही बेटर है,
I
वही
don't
बेटर है.
know.
नहीं, टीचर्स नहीं है.
All right.
अच्छा, teachers correct.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, the next one.
Rupak sir is here. Rupak sir is here.
Would you rather prefer to be the passenger or the driver? Would you hand over your keys to someone else or would you just drive it?
Driver.
Driver.
Shrishti says driver. Harsh Bhaiya says driver. Everyone is preferring driver.
I would like to
I'll
be
go
a driver.
for passenger.
Passenger, I don't know how to drive. इसीलिए.
Same here.
Both. I think we should remove the option for both and nothing because we are giving you two options, so you have to choose anyway.
Okay, next.
Any chai lovers here?
Both. Morning
Tea.
coffee,
Chai,
late
chai.
evening tea.
What about
Chai.
Sudama की चाय? What about Sudama की चाय? कितने दिन हो गए पिए हुए?
साल.
6 महीने नहीं, 6 महीने.
साल हो गए?
तुम गए थे
4 या
कुंदन.
6 महीने.
कुंदन
Please,
तुम
I'm
गए
talking about
थे.
the normal people,
हाँ.
कुंदन, जो घर में बैठे हैं जब से पैंडेमिक हुआ है.
हम जाके भी नहीं पिए थे.
दोस्तों के साथ है तो चाय.
वो बारिश हो रही है एंड चाय के स्टॉल पे गए हैं सारे. Wow, moment.
पर क्वेश्चन अभी भी यही है कि सुदामा जी अपने चाय में क्या डालते थे. सबको 2-3 बार में आदत हो जाती थी उनके चाय की.
पहली बार जो फर्स्ट ईयर
आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते होगे, हॉस्टलर थे ना.
हाँ अफीम.
नहीं.
Okay, I find this one interesting.
Obviously shivering, yeah.
Shivering, yeah.
Shivering.
Cold. Winters are better.
बहुत है क्लास में.
Yes.
Winters are better.
Usually love. Any sports persons here? They love sweating. Okay, then.
जरूरी नहीं है, एग्जाम में भी आ जाता है.
Oh.
True, true.
The next one.
Funny
Funny
movie or
movie or
dramatic?
dramatic?
Horror movies.
कौन बोला हॉरर मूवी?
All lights on.
I never thought Pankudi was a horror movie person. This is
अब
something
समझ में
very
आया पंखुड़ी हम सबको डरा के कैसे रखती है.
This is a cute question.
पंखुड़ी
Expensive gifts or homemade?
I don't know
Homemade
why,
gifts.
but I prefer homemade gifts. क्या पता अच्छा हो जाए.
Homemade gifts, they are the most beautiful ones and so touching. मतलब personalized होते हैं वो सारे. And you can feel that.
Difficult one. Pizza over
my
anything
God.
else or Chinese food?
Pizza, pizza,
Pizza, pizza forever.
Oh my God.
Pizza lovers, OP.
डोलमा के मोमोज
लेकिन डोमिनोज
बस
और
वही
पिज्जा हट के पिज्जा से कम. ठीक है, मोमोज वाले
I don't know
लवर
why,
से
but I prefer Domino's over Pizza Hut.
same. I don't know. Domino's
Yeah,
is the
same,
best.
same.
Yeah.
Delhi people usually love momos.
Filipinos. Or maybe Oven Story.
Yeah, someone said itself.
Okay, Yashasvi Di is going to take us for a party. We have the
I
venue
wish-
decided.
I wish I could.
वो तो आई ही नहीं है 1.5 साल से.
Exactly. 1.5 साल से घर में पड़े हैं. Anyway.
Next one.
Amrita Di says
Okay,
boycott
Amrita,
Chinese.
Keep the good parts like their cuisine. Nice one.
Can we move on to the next?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is my guilty pleasure.
I prefer
I don't know.
shopping. So be it online or in store.
Same.
Same.
Shopping online.
No, shopping anywhere is
But
nice.
in store is a different feeling, I guess.
Yes, shopping anywhere is
actual
nice.
shopping.
I prefer
Online
that.
like buy
हाँ.
things you don't get to know क्या किया क्या नहीं किया.
Right. In store कुछ और ही feeling होती है वो.
Shopping therapy.
मुझे कोई सिखा देना, मुझे नहीं पता है शॉपिंग कैसे करते हैं.
Oh, someone said offline जाके.
What?
Is this even a question? I don't know why have we put this.
In-person meetings, obviously.
Obviously.
डाटा लीक होने का भी डर है ना. पर्सन
वीडियो मीटिंग्स में सिर्फ वेस्ट तक तैयार होना पड़ता है, नीचे आप कुछ भी पहनो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
जैसे अभी. बिल्कुल.
Like कुर्ते के नीचे shorts.
Good.
No one can know about it.
बिल्कुल.
Right. ऊपर से बन बन के बैठे हैं और नीचे
Pajamas. हाँ, perfect pajamas.
See the future or change the past.
Okay, this one is tricky.
None.
Future.
None. Yeah, most of them are saying second one. See the future. Change the
I
past.
prefer what Arya said. Live in the moment.
Exactly. गया गया आने वाला भी नहीं देखना है.
कल का छोड़ देते हैं.
Financial question for you people.
This one.
Who all had economics in as their GE?
Very few, I guess.
Okay, Pooja Di had. He's raising the hand.
Let us know.
Yeah, split the bills or take turns paying.
Probably we are not meeting and we are not having any food together, so that is why we don't have many responses.
Yeah.
उपवास.
Someone says upwas. अच्छा केशव भैया says go to washroom while bill paying. Sorted.
I'm going to use that trick the next
और
time.
maybe बस birthday पार्टी ले ली. खुद की birthday में pandemic हो गया.
टर्न वाला में
वो
सही
तो
रहता
हो
है.
रहा है.
आगे मिलने का भी चांस रहता है.
देखो ऐसा है, स्प्लिट द बिल करो या टर्न्स तो लॉस तो हमेशा ही होना है.
टर्न वाला
Wise
में
words.
कोई ना
टर्न वाला
कोई
में आगे मिलने का चांस तो रहता है.
Okay, moving on. Talking or listening. This is the last one and it is actually tricky if you can't relate.
तो बोलना पसंद है.
Depends on person.
Talking.
सबको बोलना पसंद है. जो गुड लिसनर है उसको भी.
We just want people कि सुनो यार, हम लोग start ही ऐसे करते किसी की भी conversation. सुनो यार. So I think that goes without saying. It's always talking, be it via texts or calls or like this.
Okay, so really thank you to all the seniors and everyone for participating and making it so much interesting. लेकिन अभी picture बाकी है and I would like to invite Akansha to move forward with the event.
Thank you, Ayushi. Okay, so दोस्ती वो नहीं जो जान देती है, दोस्ती वो भी नहीं जो मुस्कान देती है, सच्ची दोस्ती तो वो है जो पानी में गिरा आंसू भी पहचान लेती है. On this note, we head towards a drench of tranquility with Ritika from second year of political science to defenestrate her mind out over dosti ke usul.
So, hello everyone, this is Ritika and I'm here with a self-composed poem. The title of my poem is दोस्ती के कुछ उसूल. 2.5 अक्षर के इस शब्द ने जिंदगी आबाद कर दी. सच कहूँ तो दोस्तों ने ही ये बर्बाद कर दी. मैगी बनाने से उल्लू बनाने तक दोस्त हमें क्या क्या सिखाते हैं और कई बार प्यार से तो कभी मार से जिंदगी का सही मतलब भी बताते हैं. एग्जाम खत्म होने से पहले बाहर आना, कैंटीन में बैठकर खूब खाना, एक लेक्चर मिस हो जाने पर जरा भी ना पछताना और पूरा साल एक दूसरे का बंक भरवाना, इधर जाना उधर जाना, साथ में तबीयत खराब होने का बहाना, ये सब दोस्ती के कुछ उसूल हैं और इन्हें नहीं अपनाया तो मेरे यार दोस्ती फिजूल है. लाइब्रेरी में बैठकर शोर मचाना, क्लास में बैठकर गाना गाना, फालतू की बातों पर सबका खूब मजाक उड़ाना, टॉम अंकल से सुदामा तक कदम कदम नाप जाना, ये सब दोस्ती के कुछ उसूल हैं और मेरे यार इनको नहीं अपनाया तो दोस्ती फिजूल है. सबको जल्दी बुलाकर खुद लेट आना, पार्टी का खर्चा किसी एक पर चिपकाना, असाइनमेंट टाइम से ना बनाना, टीचर की डांट खाना, टीचर को अपने साथ हंसाना, साथ में घर पर एक्स्ट्रा क्लास का बहाना, ये सब दोस्ती के कुछ उसूल हैं और मेरे यार इनको नहीं अपनाया तो दोस्ती फिजूल है. धन्यवाद.
That was indeed amazing. Okay, so सुना है आसमां के साथ कुछ फरिश्ते भी जमीन पर मिलते हैं, कुछ चेहरे की हंसी को तो कुछ उनके पीछे छुपी उन नम आंखों को पढ़ने वाले भी मिलते हैं. ऐसे ही नहीं गुजरते ये साल खुश मिजाज गालिब, इन्हें बिताने के लिए तुम जैसे दोस्त जो साथ मिलते हैं. Now we head towards a poetic composition by Deepali Kumari from first year, which exemplifies our voyage throughout these 3 years. It's titled as College के दिन कहाँ चले गए.
Hello everyone, myself Deepali. Take a deep breath and come along with me to the journey of old golden days through my poem titled College के दिन कहाँ चले गए. क्लास खत्म होते ही कैंटीन की तरफ दौड़ना, एक बोरिंग से लेक्चर को यूं ही छोड़ना, किसी और के पैसों से खाना खाना, किसी को किसी और के नाम से चिढ़ाना, दोस्तों के साथ हंसी ठिठोली, वो शैतानियाँ और आँख में चोली, वो उधम मचाना, वो हंसना गाना और हाँ वो दोस्तों का एक साथ बैठकर रंग जमाना. वाह क्या दिन थे वो, ना कोई फिक्र थी ना कोई चिंता, हर खुशी हर गम में साथ खड़े थे, हमारे कदम एक साथ ही तो बढ़े थे. पीछे मुड़कर देखा तो 3 साल कहीं बीत से गए थे, खट्टे मीठे ख्वाब दिल को जीत से गए थे. किसी कोने में खड़े हम, एक अजीब से सोच में पड़े हम. कुछ ही दिनों की तो बात है, अरे कुछ ही दिनों की तो बात है, फिर कहाँ ये साथ है. कॉलेज के दिन जाने कहाँ खो गए, हम खुद में उलझे उलझे इतने बड़े हो गए. जिम्मेदारियों ने बड़ा बना दिया है, बदलते सेमेस्टर ने बोझ बढ़ा दिया है. मुश्किलों की बेड़ियों में बंध गए हैं, सफलता पाने की कतार में हम लग गए हैं. कॉलेज में फिर जाना चाहते हैं, फिर वही सुकून पाना चाहते हैं. पर ख्वाबों को सच्चाई में बदलना है, बस अब सिर्फ आगे बढ़ना है. अब वो दिन लौट कर कहाँ आएंगे पता नहीं, क्या कभी ऐसे दोस्त मिल पाएंगे. Thank you so much everyone and all the best to all the seniors for their bright future ahead.
That was really mesmerizing. Next in the queue we have confessions round. I would like to call the general secretaries to take the lead.
So the confession, from here we begin the confession round. We had a lot of confessions. We did not expect itne sare, but hey, so now we are starting. Okay, ये किसी group के लिए, I don't know. This message is for Sigma 6 group members. I miss you guys. Hope we reunite soon with a red heart. I hope college khul jaye as soon as possible, or according to the DU curse, we'll have to die. So and the name is mentioned as a desperate, sober, single boy. Okay. If you want to reveal yourself, single, sober boy, and who is the Sigma group? I don't know. किसी को कुछ पता है?
All right. So should I move on with the next one? Yeah.
Yeah.
So do we have Jyoti Di here? So this is for you. Jyoti, you are my close and most special friend. I learned a lot of things from you. Always stay the same, the honest, helpful, and kind soul that you are. Thank you for coming into my life and making it so special. A lovely message for a lovely person. Jyoti Di.
Jyoti Di.
All right, so we move on to the next one. Ayushi.
Ayushi.
Yes, sure. So this one is a trending sort of a message. It is for Yashasvi Di. Yashasvi, you have got beautiful, expressive. That is, तेरी नजरों ने दिल का किया जो हशर असर ये हुआ. So this was from anonymously yours.
All right, so I like the song. Thank you. Moving on, Anjali.
Yeah. So next one is for Sejal Pruthi. Sejal, are you here? Okay, so I am reading the message. Hey there, it's been a year since we met and did our low-key gossip, Sejal Pruthi. Your vibe just hits differently. I miss you too. The name is mentioned as your Prince Charming. Okay, Sejal, I guess you would know it better.
I know.
All right, so this message is for Sarvesh. Sarvesh, are you smiling? Even if you are not, I can bet you have started smiling. हंसते रहा करो, अच्छे लगते हो. That is the message. I think we all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Smile.
Yeah,
की
and this
तारीफ होगी.
message has been written by anonymously someone.
Wait. किसी की नजरें खराब हो गई हैं.
नहीं अगर कोई रिवील करना चाहता है प्लीज कर दो, अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि
वो किसी और का नाम लिखना चाहता होगा या चाहती होगी, गलती से लिखा.
All right. So we move on. Ayushi, please take over the next. Ayushi, can you hear me? All right. So Anjali, I think you can move on with the next one.
Okay, so again it is for Hey Ujjwal ji, I'll always miss you. Love you बहुत ज़्यादा. With a red heart. That's all I want to say. Period. Anonymous.
कौन है भाई बताओ.
भैया हम आपको
पर्सनल पे टेक्स्ट कर दो उनको.
I guess so.
शायद आनंद है.
उज्जवल जी.
आनंद
भैया आप ऐसे लिखोगे.
आनंद है.
I don't think so. Anand
Let us not embarrass Anand Bhaiya. Let us not.
I don't think Anand Bhaiya hai. It is someone else.
But the name is not mentioned. All right.
Yeah,
So
it's
moving
not.
on. This is, a heartwarming message, and I just love this. It's written for Archana Yadav, and I can see her on my screen also. It's just a one line, but it touched my heart. Thank you for being Frederick Angels to my Karl Marx this entire time.
This was
So
some
thoughtful.
alag level ka.
दीक्षा. पक्का दीक्षा.
Okay, she's nodding her head.
Me and Yashasvi were discussing the other day. Diksha Di wrote it so differently.
Oh, thank you.
Some another level.
Because she is herself so unique. Thank you so much.
I agree.
I texted Pankaj sir that he is Socrates to my Plato. So then I thought that she is the angels to my Karl Marx.
Wow.
एंगल्स है वो एंगल्स.
Wow. Angels to Karl.
To my Monica.
दीक्षा मैनिफेस्टो अभी पब्लिश होगा कुछ दिन में.
हमारे बारे में भी कुछ स्वामी विवेकानंदा बना दो यार.
नहीं, आप उज्जवल जी ही
तो
ठीक
स्वामी
है।
विवेकानंदा में
हाँ,
चली गई।
सही।
स्वामी
उज्जवल
विवेकानंदा
जी।
माय व्हाट?
नहीं, उज्जवल जी फिर कहाँ गया, वही तो।
All right. This message is for Ritika Jha, my batchmate. Wanted to say this from a long time, but couldn't just because I was scared. I am really missing you. See you soon, and will confess my feelings to you directly very soon. Lots of love. Yeah, that's also mentioned.
भावना। भावना ही होगी।
नहीं, मैंने नहीं लिखा है। All right, so I move on with the next. Okay, and this is my last. This is for Anjali, and thank you for being really sweet and understanding. Love you, Anjali. And it's written by Irani and Khamba.
I know who is. I love him too. Okay. Okay, the next one is for this confession is for Shatabdi Kalita. Your cuteness reminds me of doll, and it is anonymous. I think Shatabdi is not here in the meeting. No, she is not. Okay, we have a confession for you, Shatabdi. You should have joined. Okay, this one is really heartwarming. Warming. I had read it, and it is for Aryan Verma, Aryan Bhaiya. Though it's your farewell, but just gotta remind you that you can count on me anytime and every time. Also, thanks for being the kind of best senior and a friend one could ever have. I think I got lucky here, lol. Sending you lots of happiness, strength, luck, and charm for the awaiting years and beginning ahead. With a red heart and a sunflower. Anonymous. Is Aryan Bhaiya here? No. Okay.
All right, so we have Ayushi's part left. I'll just
Yeah, I guess you can go on with that.
just a second. Just a second. Okay, there's someone who says, "तुझे याद ना मेरी आई गाना बंद करो." I don't know what.
Who sings that song?
Then okay, so this is for Navan Bhaiya. Navan Bhaiya, I was really jealous of Natasha when she used to hang out with you. I saw you two sitting in DSE too. I hope you see me too one day. Please dekho yaar. All right. Moving on with the next one. Can't imagine how boring it would have been that a person like me can't think of a confession for everyone. So this is also anonymously written. And this is the last one, and that is for Simriddhi. And Simriddhi के लिए ये लिखा है कि you are so beautiful and awesome. Guess who? Like the person is
Simriddhi,
telling you
just guess who.
But then sorry, no chance for Simriddhi.
Yeah, for Simriddhi. Okay, the last one. Yeah. Please go on. हो गया. Okay, the last one is hi Janvi Sharma. You are the sweetest, cutest thing I have ever seen. Will you please go out with me? Question mark. I'm already added in your IG, but I'm too shy to tell you directly. But trust me, you are the love of my life. Maybe now I'll ask you out in real ASAP. Anonymous. Who's Janvi Sharma? I think she has not joined.
Yeah, she's in our section.
No, Janvi is here. Janvi is here. Okay. Okay, so I guess we come to an end with the confession wala part. And
तो बोलना पड़ेगा, मैं बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड हूँ। यार मेरे लिए तो कोई मैसेज ही नहीं आया, तुम ही लोग बोल दो।
वो तो हमेशा
We can confess her to know.
उज्जवल,
And or
उज्जवल का है?
हाँ भाई यहीं पे है।
यार मैंने तेरे लिए एक मैसेज लिखा, तू मेरे लिए नहीं लिख पाया।
कहाँ भाई, किधर?
बहुत गलत है, बहुत गलत है।
अच्छा उज्जवल जी,
मैं बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड हूँ उज्जवल तुमसे।
उज्जवल जी नहीं का था
भाई उज्जवल ही गलत बात है, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं करते उज्जवल, गलत बात है।
सॉरी आनंद, सॉरी।
आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था।
सॉरी प्रतीक।
वही
उज्जवल
अब बोल दो,
अब बोल दो,
अब बोल दो, अब बोल दो भाई।
कम ऑन उज्जवल जल्दी, वेट कर रहे हैं सब लोग तुम्हारा।
ब्रो यू रॉक।
आनंद भैया आपकी हंसी
माहौल
जो है ना,
जमाएंगे।
इतनी अच्छी है कि सबको हंसी आ रही है।